So after that one perp trade today, I have initiated a short position demarcated by this red symbol in sand perp. Actually, sand perp is where I really want to go long, but at a lower level. So I figured, since I'm already waiting for this particular token to come down, why not as well, create a short position. So here I am. Uh, Remember, I told you in one perp I had booked half of my position. So after I booked half of that position, I initiated around $3,000 worth of short here on Sandperp. And then when I closed the position on one perp, I moved here and initiated the rest of the position. This is where at the level of 5.1135, I have an alert for caution, and my stop loss is at the level of 5.1526. Um, so we've just initiated the trade, and looking at the RSI on this 5-minute chart, I think we can see some downward action. There is a good support available at 4.88. We'll see how this does, like how sand behaves around that level. But right now, I'm just sitting and watching how this particular trade rolls out. Coming back to our Sandpop trade, this is where we had left it with the idea that because RSI was slightly below the level of 60, we were expecting that the prices would continue to fall, but unfortunately, that is not what happened. Sandpop rallied up, triggered my stop loss somewhere here, went up further, met resistance, and then fell down again. Um, so I think there was this channel which I had probably overlooked, but then again, that might just be my hindsight speaking because it doesn't really make sense. I'm not going to draw that. I did draw some trend lines to, let's move to the 10 minutes chart. I did draw some trend lines to kind of try and make sense of the previous peaks and see if, in hindsight, basically, if they were offering any guidance. And I would say there wasn't really a lot of indication. The only lesson as to why this trade went wrong was primarily that the underlying trend in the entire crypto market was pretty positive, and I tried to go against the trend and against the broad positive sentiment, and that is why the stop loss got triggered. So after this short position got butchered, I went ahead and I initiated a long position in one perp, almost exactly where I got stopped out of my entire position last time, which again was a pity because one perp immediately ran up nearly 7%. So my expectation was that one perp was going to. So my expectation was that basically this was the bottom, and one perp would probably go up there, start going up. But I think I was a little impatient in executing the trade. So now, having incurred around $260 in losses by way of, stop loss on two back-to-back trades, I'm just going to sit back and let my biases cool down. And I am fairly certain, even in one perp, that the rally is going to continue. So, my crypto channel on Telegram, I currently have a long position advice for my members, and I have asked them to continue to hold if they bought it for the target of 0.27, and I might also enter back into the trade, but not right now because I feel like my objectivity might be a little bit compromised here, and I also want the chart to become a little bit clearer to me. For now, for example, maybe if RSI comes and takes a little bit of support at the 30 level, I might consider going back in. But right now, mm, not very keen about it. So that's it from my side for this. I'll let you know when I initiate another trend. You can also follow my Twitter thread where I'm posting my cryptocurrency trade ideas real time. All right, thank you.